Good morning, guys. Renaissance Marie Austin, and welcome back to my blog. Today I'm going to show you how I utilize complimentary breakfast at the hotels. I'm going to make a smoothie with the option of bananas, raw sugars that are already measured in their pouches. You have the option of honey. These Jiffy to-go peanut butter containers are absolutely wonderful. And here, surprisingly, I always avoid chocolate chips because I don't even like chocolate chips in my oatmeal anyway. But I am a mocha girl, and I found out that these were the dark chocolate chips, pepitas, or pumpkin seeds, and I have walnuts here. Complimentary breakfast has the option of oat milk or some kind of almond milk, but usually it is oat milk. And then I have an empty glass here in which I'm going to actually soak the walnuts and soak the pepitas. In the morning, I make my spinach smoothie anyway, so I'm separating out the walnuts. So we're going to go ahead and allow this to sit for at least a couple of hours, maybe 3. Refrigerate the oat milk for later. For my green smoothie, I have green apples that also come from complimentary breakfast. I have frozen spinach from the store, preferably organic. And I put some oat milk in here, and I cut up some fresh ginger. You can see those little yellow pieces in there. So you're gonna get a lot of iron from spinach. Most importantly though, I always do grapefruit with spinach because iron and vitamin C go together. I'm gonna add it up to there, and then my friend left me honest kids. I'm just gonna add a little bit of fruit juice to this. And I'm gonna add a little bit more spinach since I kind of lost some when some flew out by accident. And we get this beautiful earthy green color. Here is how I'm starting off my day. Spinach, apple, ginger, a little bit of oat milk, grapefruit juice, sweet juice. Guys, this is so good. I love ginger. I put like 2 little stumps of ginger in this, and it's perfect. It is so perfect. So I'm gonna sip on this, finish all of this for the morning, and later on, we're gonna come back to that chocolate peanut butter banana walnut smoothie. See you guys soon. So our pepitas and our walnuts have now been soaking for over 3 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and drain them and try to keep as much of the walnut meal, the little small particles, as much as I can. All right, so we got a nice little rinse without losing too much of the walnut meal. I've taken my oat milk out of the fridge, and I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the peanut butter and the chocolate in the microwave. Actually, I found that to be pretty effective last time. I didn't use this much milk last time, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of this to the blender already, a little bit more, because I used about half of a coffee cup. 2 peanut butters was definitely pretty peanut buttery enough. Dip this spoon in the oat milk or run it under the sink, it doesn't really matter. Hopes to get as much of the peanut butter out as possible so you can get as much of your peanut butter. Okay, we're gonna do that, and then I'll be right back. .30 seconds. Okay, After 30 seconds, we're gonna start stirring. Last time I did this twice, just to see where the best melting point is. For the second time, we just did about 20 seconds, and that's actually perfect. So we're just gonna mix, keep mixing until we get a smoothness. I'm gonna start off by adding in my walnuts, pepitas. I want this to be the bulk of the firmness so that I don't have to add too much banana. The banana is gonna make it pretty smooth. That's our peanut butter chocolate mix. I'm gonna use about half of the banana. Again, this is just items from free breakfast. These are completely optional. I don't think I'll really need them, but just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna add 1 raw sugar. I do have some molasses. Let's see if I can get some out of here. Throwing this honey in there just because. Perfection. Voila. A little bit of ice cubes. Thanks for joining me in my smoothie process. So good. If you make this, let me know how it turns out. Have a wonderful day. God bless. Thanks for being here.